Hey y'all, in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick tidy up, and I wanted to first of all though thank everybody who subscribed to my channel. I know that I'm still new and I'm still learning, but I appreciate so much all of you who've watched my videos and have been supporting me in this, so I really appreciate that. I've been really sick the last week and a half. I think I had gastritis. I'm sad to say I did not go to the doctor. I thought though at first that I was just, it's just in my head. Are y'all loving those green shorts he has on? Bless his heart. That's the whole thing. He was sick, and if you've been here before, you know my husband has cancer. Well, when my husband has some kind of treatments, for some reason, I get deathly ill. And I know it's probably in my head. I don't know what it is, but when he's sick, I'm sick. And sometimes I'm sicker than he is. And I mean, it's terrible. And I thought that's what it was at first, but then he got better and I didn't. And it lingered for days, and I was just not able to do a video, so I apologize for that. I do have several things coming up ahead too that I'm filming, so just bear with me. I do plan to get back on track. And you'll see in this video I'm opening boxes. Those were things that I got from Amazon. I bought a couple of things with some gift card money that I had, and I'm going to show you what that is later on in the video. It's just some organizing things, and one of them I'm using in one of my next videos. I haven't really used it yet, but I had to give it to my husband and he put it together for me. It wasn't hard to put together, and it is such a big help when you have things to organize with, and I'm all about using what you already have, but I didn't have anything to use by my laundry in my laundry area, so I'll show y'all that later on in the video. Guest. I gotta show you how cute he is. This is Odie. Isn't he cute? We're dog sitting for my daughter's boyfriend's family, and Odie is so cute. He's so cute. Oh, he's so sweet. Anyway, I'm gonna get busy, so y'all hang in there with me and let's get some cleaning done. So I filmed this on a day that I was still not feeling very well, and I thought that I would make some brownies to cheer myself up. And I do normally sometimes put some type of little cooking thing in my videos, not always, but I'm always making brownie bites, and people ask me all the time when I take them places, oh my goodness, how did you make these? These are so neat. But really, it's right out of the box. I just use regular brownie mix. And the only thing I do differently is what I cook them in. I use the little tiny muffin tins, the little tiny one, you'll see it here in a minute. And everybody always seems to like the edge of the brownies, and so that way all the brownies are like little round muffins and they all have edges on them, and everybody gets the edges, so it's a win-win situation. And since I really didn't feel like cleaning up that particular day, I thought, okay, I'm gonna make myself some brownies. Now, when I cook these, I cook them in the oven on whatever it says. I think it says 350 for 14 minutes. Don't cook them for 20 minutes like the box says, because you have them in, a smaller little pan, so they'll burn if you cook that long. And I did do 2 batches of those. I just didn't show me mixing the second putting the second part in there. But they're awesome, so you should definitely try that. I highly recommend it. And after I ate the brownies, I took a nap, and by the time I went back in the kitchen, it was a total wreck. They had pulled out things to cook with, and my husband had been in there making dinner, and it was just a huge mess. So by the time I got back in there was a lot bigger mess to clean up than what I had left. I had to stop and take a break because my poor puppies are just terrified because it's storming outside, and they are so scared. When it thunders, they just totally freak out, and I don't really know what to do for them. I just have to sit here and pet them and talk to them until it passes. I have one under the bed back there, and this one, he's terrified. Bless his little heart, he's so scared. I feel so sorry for him. He just does not understand. And here in the South, we have these thunderstorms every day in the afternoon. So, I mean, this is a daily thing, and it just scares him so bad. Every single day we go through this. I guess, and the older he gets, the worse it gets. So I guess I need to take him back to the vet and see if they can give him something for his anxiety. We both got anxiety, don't we, buddy? Poor thing. He's so scared. He's just trembling. His little heart's beating so fast. I don't know what really to do for that. So I didn't really finish everything in the kitchen. There were still some things that need to be done by hand, but it was getting late in the day and I had not finished everything that was on my list. And that's okay, y'all. It's okay if you don't finish everything that's on your list of things to do. I realized that it was so hard to keep your house up whenever you feel bad. But it was getting late and I had to change the sheets on the bed. So I went ahead and did that, and I didn't completely make up the bed. I just changed the sheets and fixed it because I knew that my husband would be going to sleep soon and I needed to get that done. And I knew that tomorrow is another day. And you know, when you're sick, you just have to realize that if they get hungry, they will find something to eat. And if they get tired of looking at the mess, they will help clean it up. Those are two definite things I learned while trying to get this video done and during the week that I was sick. So I knew that tomorrow was a new day, and I figured that I would just finish things when I woke up the next day and maybe I would feel better. So the next day, after I got up, I felt a little better, and I thought, well, maybe today I can get something done. And we had a crock pot meal that my husband had fixed, and evidently we didn't have any bags for the crock pot, so the crock pot had to soak overnight. It was nasty. I hate it when that happens. But I guess we were out of bags whenever he did that. And there were some pots and pans that I just washed by hand. So I had to get all of that out of the way the next day, and then try to finish what I had started, because sometimes when you're sick, you just can't get it all done. That is a little flour sack cloth that I got from the dollar store, and they have those at Dollar Tree and they have them at Dollar General, and they are the best things for drying dishes, and they're awesome for dusting. I love using that when I'm polishing my furniture, and I love using it when I'm drying dishes and trying to get the dishes put away. I have a ton of them, so you can find them at Dollar Tree or Dollar General. I went ahead and finished making up my bed the next day, and you'll notice that this bedspread, or this comforter, whatever you call it, it is really too short for my bed now. I have a king-size bed, and I bought that thing many years ago, and I guess I've washed it so much that apparently it has shrunk a little bit, and so it doesn't completely cover the bed like it's supposed to, but I'm not going to get a new one right now. I really still like the design on that one. They don't make it anymore, so I can't buy a new one like that one, and that's not really the style now, so you can't find, you know, anything that really matches it, or I haven't yet. So I just keep it, and I just pull the comforter down. You can see right there on the end, though, where it doesn't go all the way to the top of the bed. But that's okay. I'm just working with what I got. That's my motto. I'm working with what I have. Stand that I got from Amazon. My husband put it together for me, and it is perfect by my washing machine and my dryer. It holds all my little washing stuff, and it slides right in this little cubby hole. That's my duster back there, by the way. So yeah, it slides right in there. It fits perfectly. I'm trying to do it with one hand. There we go. It's perfect. Fits in there perfectly between the hot water heater and the washing machine.
I got them. What are you doing?
I'm filming my little thing you put together.
Okay. Well, that goes good right there.
Yeah, it fit perfect.
Uh-huh.
I'm so proud of it.
Okay.